Saturday, February 28, 2026. Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri. While most of the world was sleeping. For B-2 Spirit stealth bombers were taxiing for a mission that would change the course of the decade. This is Operation Epic Fury. To maintain surprise, the U.S. bypassed local bases. These flying wings flew 7,000 miles non-stop, crossing the Atlantic and refueling over the Strait of Gibraltar at 4 a.m. They weren't just flying, they were disappearing. Sunday, March 1st, 1:15 a.m., Tehran time. The B-2s arrived over Iran. Their targets? Hardened ballistic missile facilities hidden deep inside the mountains of Kermanshah and Karaj. Because the B-2 has the radar signature of a small bird, Iran's air defenses never saw the Spirit until the bays opened. They didn't use standard bombs. They dropped dozens of GBU-31 V-3 penetrator dams. These 2,000-pound bunker busters are designed to drill 50 feet into solid rock before detonating. In a single pass, they collapsed the entrances to Iran's missile cities, trapping the launchers underground. 30 hours after takeoff, the Petro 41 flight touched back down in Missouri. Mission accomplished. But as the B-21 Raider prepares to take over, is this the B-2's final legendary strike? Comment, King, if you think the B-2 is still number one.